Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Today we are at Copart once again. Man, I want to stop buying cars from here, but I've been getting such good deals that I just can't stop. And today, picking up a 2013 Chevy Sonic. So they're gonna pull it out and I will show you guys what it looks like. There she is. I'm sorry guys about the wind noise. If there's, oh, I forgot this. I always forget this. Ooh, airbag is blown, which I did not see. And this is blown, which I did not see. And that's blown, which I did not see. Oh, goodness gracious. But it has a navigation. This is the little turbo. I see some light, fading light. Okay, let's check fluids. Oh, come on, cap. There we go. That looks fine. Scared me there for a second. Some oil. Coolant. Seems to be pretty low. Man, I hope this thing will make it home or to the lot. I added some oil because it was low, and with no funnel, I made a mess again. Like all down here. Let's see if it'll show us anything now. Nope, still nothing really. So I hope the bottom of the pan isn't damaged. Let's try to start it. To be honest, guys, I am pretty nervous. Oh, like a champ. No other lights. I mean, airbag, clearly. Big surprise. But that's about it. And it sounds really good. Like, really good. So I think we could try to drive it. I'm just not too sure about this coolant situation. It could be like a lighter color, so it's not coming through very well. And I see a little bit there, but... Alright, we're gonna let it warm up. And if we have heat through the vents, we are going to drive it out. I don't see any other damage aside from, you know, this stuff right here. Which honestly, kind of tempted just to sell it like this. Fix the airbag, fix the seatbelt. And yeah, just try to sell it like this. I didn't pay a lot of money for it, so I don't want to put a lot of money in it. What is up with all these cars not giving me a temperature gauge? That makes me super nervous. But I have it set to AC. I feel AC blowing, so that's a good sign. Oh, look at what just rolled up. Carrera 4S. Oh, that thing is so busted. But guys, I think yeah, I'm definitely starting to get some warmth out of the vents. So I think we're gonna wing it. Ding! A big person drove this car, like myself. See that? There's still some room for the seatbelt, and it is locked. Okay, I think we are good to go to try and move, I guess. I don't know if this is like a new car type of thing, but this little thing is smooth. It is so smooth, so quiet. There's no rattles. Like, it shifts like butter. And it has 120,000 miles. And it still feels extremely, extremely good. I like it. I just hope we don't overheat. Because it's been a few miles now. Well, 2 miles maybe. I would think that I would feel a lot more heat coming through the vents, and honestly, I do not. So I am kind of starting to worry. Guys, I called it. See that? Yup. Let's kill it. Conveniently, stopped at 7-Eleven, and I know for a fact they have coolant, but I'm gonna have my brother stop by, bring me some. Yeah, so I'm curious, what is that? What exactly is busted? I mean, it could be just a little bit low, but the BMW we picked up, yeah. Ooh, there's some milkiness showing up. I mean, but it runs really well, aside from, you know, this now. Still looks like almost no oil in it. But my brother's on his way. He should be here shortly. We'll add some water to the system. See if we could just get it home or to the lot, which is down the street, and go from there. So glad today is a beautiful day. Okay, but guys, we're 2 for 2. Last 2 cars from Copart. Run and drive, but not safe run and drive. And BMW, I still haven't worked on it. And I don't have time, so I think I'm going to get that hose, lower radiator hose, purchased, and then take it in to a mechanic and get it replaced. And look, my twin is here. It's hecka windy here, I'm sorry. I'm gonna offer that lady to trade cars. She laughed, and it doesn't look like we're gonna make a trade. So I guess we'll continue waiting for my brother. It's been like 10 minutes. No rush. Truck is a liar. I actually know this guy. Not like super personally, but yeah, through social media. Here's my saving ride. Man, look at how good this thing looks, guys. What a beautiful car. Love it. Kind of surprised he just didn't back up here. What's that, dude? Alright, let me start it actually, so that it starts getting all the bubbles out. She better start. Okay? Yeah, let's do it. So I don't know if it's like coming out anywhere or it's just a little low. I mean, engine purrs. Anything pouring yet? Nothing. So who knows, guys? Maybe it was just a little bit low. I don't see it dripping from anywhere. But dang, it was low. See it dripping a little bit on the tank right here or underneath the tank. But maybe right here. Did you mess up?
Yeah, I think I did.
Okay.
Let's go.
Can you turn on the, whatchamacallit, AC? There's definitely bubbles, but this should be enough to get it back to the lot. Yeah, buddy, we are no longer overheating. So let's get the heck out of here. Oh, now I have a lot of heat. I mean, who knows? Maybe there was an air bubble because, say, overflow tank was a little low and it started to maybe air bubble. I don't know, but I didn't see it dripping anywhere, but it's definitely blowing very hot right now. And no other issues, so I guess we should be able to make it back to the lot with no problem. And just look at that Mercedes. Look at how mean it looks. Love it. All of these auction cars are so filthy. Yes, get it all cleaned up. Actually worked pretty darn well. And this car really is smooth. Made it to the lot. I still have a lot of heat coming through the vents, but I just want to open it up and see if we could find a leak or something. No. It's looking good. Can you hold the hood? Look at that, nothing dripping, nothing.
The fan's just not turning on?
Well, I think it's running now. Yeah, fan is running now.
It's weird.
And you guys could see it, everything is going. And I have a lot of heat now.
Oh,
so,
we have no heat at all?
No.
So we're just really low?
Yep, I'm assuming it was below this line, so this hose sucked up air,
yeah,
and it goofed up. So I think we're good now. And gas light came on, so we will need gas, but that's down the road. So this car's done. That's it for this video. It was short, I know, but it was eventful to some extent. but the car made it back. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for joining. I will probably do a video of airbag replacement, seatbelt replacement on the Sonic. So if you're interested, please subscribe, and I will see you guys in another video.